job. I don't really know that much about the property. I know that the owner purchased it. It's a house fire. They've been working on a deal for, I think, 4.5 years, and finally went through. So now he's wanting to tear this down. I think he wants to live here himself eventually when we get this rebuilt. But there's just a ton of work here, especially for me. Like I said, I don't have a real large machine, but you stick with it and keep taking it day by day. I can get quite a bit done in a day, in my opinion. And basically all I'm doing is just charging it by the hour. Keeps me busy all the time. Quite frankly, he changes his plans all the time. So bidding a project with him is not realistic. Because what turns from, hey, I want you to do this, always ends up turning into more. So, and I'm not complaining. I love to be working. I love to be able to not do the same thing all the time. But it would be impossible to bid a job. Just because he starts projects that he really doesn't even know what he wants to do right off the bat. So used to the hourly. He tells me what he wants done. I come in and do it. And usually halfway through doing it, he changes what he wants done. So adjust and go from there. All right, so the day's over. I'm very happy with what I got done today. That tree did not get taken care of, but I'm okay with that. This is all cleaned out. That big tree that I have no idea what it was is gone. I'm determined that the burn pile will be down there. Seems like the best place to put it. I believe that garage is getting torn down anyway, so we can burn around it. It won't do any damage. Got a huge pile to move down there once I get the fire going. Was able to get that whole hillside cleaned off. All these cedars ripped out, ready to be put on the fire. Lots of little saplings I still have to take care of. I think what I'm going to do is I might bring a bulldozer over here after I get that trailer moved, and then just push over the top, kind of grade that off so it's not as severe a ledge there. Easier for them to mow. Show you the front yard. So the front yard, we've got everything all taken care of here. Gives you a good idea. Trees all gone. This area is all cleaned up. Got rid of the stones today. Stump and everything's taken care of. So all in all, pretty good day. Of course, got a lot of fine grading to do, but this area is going to see a lot of traffic, and it's going to get rutted up a ton, seeing as I have to take everything out in front of the house. So it's a work in progress. So I'm gonna fuel up and call it a day. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.